Hey guys, this is Andy. Welcome to the Lightning X Products video on how to assemble your LXPB15-SKJ. The LXPB15 standing for the bag or the pouch, and the SKJ is referring to the stock contents of the kit. The PB15 being an Ifak or individual first aid kit. So looking at your screen here, let's get started. On the right side, you're going to see a black side with two large loops. We're going to start out with our Israeli bandage, and that's going to say hemorrhage control bandage on it. That's a 4-inch Israeli bandage. We're going to put that in the far right loop and follow that up by the 5x9 ABD pad or abdominal pad or combine pad, whatever you want to call it. I like to fold the edges on this, makes it a little bit easier to get in that loop because we're going to put something on top of it here in just a few minutes. Going to the left side, we got a Hemostatic Gauze, 4-inch by 4-inch. It's basically Quick Clot, just a different brand. We're going to put that in the mesh compartment behind the loops, follow it up by a carded pack of 2 pairs of nitrile gloves. So that's 4 total nitrile gloves. We're going to put that right on top of the hemostat pad in the mesh compartment because we're going to need those loops here in a minute. Moving back to the right side, on top of the ABD pad, we're going to put the 2-inch self-adherent wrap. It's good for wrapping up dressings on a wound. We're going to put that on top of the ABD pad, and right to the right of that, we got a 2-inch by 4.5 yard rolls gauze. So either one of those are great for wrapping up wounds once you've dressed them up. So on the left side, you'll notice several different size loops here. We're going to start with the trauma shears, closest to the screen. The 7.5-inch pair of trauma shears, and you don't want to turn that so that the smaller part of the handle is facing the front of the bag. It makes it a little bit easier to close that pouch. Now on the bottom larger loop, we're going to add a triangle bandage that comes with 2 safety pins. We're going to put that in the larger of the 3 loops on the bottom on the left-hand side. Follow that up by the nasal airway. This is the 28 FR, and that stands for the size. That's probably an average size that can fit most of the patients you're going to run into. You're going to put that on the smaller loop on the furthest side of the screen there. Next we get to the tourniquet. This is a rat's tourniquet. We upgraded it. We used to use a buckle tourniquet, and the thing we've learned over the years of making kits is tourniquets are, well, they're kind of like assholes. Everybody's got an opinion on one, and we can't seem to please everybody, so we're going to do a rat's tourniquet on this one. If you like a cat tourniquet, a lot of people are cat tourniquet people. We make kits with that too. Right beside that, we're going to put a Cpr mask, or a Cpr face shield. We don't have room in here for a large hard case Cpr mask, but this face shield will help you in an emergency situation. Now, on top in that middle loop, we're going to put a compressed gauze or crinkle gauze. Those are great for packing wounds in addition to the hemostatic dressing. Now, back on the right side, you're going to notice there's a little zippered pocket here. We're going to put our 4, and there's actually 4, it's 2 per pack of our 3x3 gauze pads. We're also going to put our iodine wipes followed by alcohol wipes in that little zippered compartment. And there's a little bit of room in there if you want to add some stuff as well, but you can zip that compartment shut so those little small things don't just fall out. Now this kit is our entry-level kit for what we call like a gunshot kit. It's a lot more than a soccer mom first aid kit, but we do have kits that go all the way up to having like a chest seal and cat tourniquet. So here you see the LXPB15-SKJ completely stocked. We're going to zip that up, and you are ready to save a life. Check out our socials for more videos on how to stock your kit, and stay safe out there. We'll see you soon.